Are you looking for the best air mattresses? In this video we will look at some of the best air mattresses on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. King Koil Luxury Air Mattress. After testing many different models in our lab, the popular King Koil Air Mattress is our best overall air mattress. If you are looking for a comfortable mattress that is simple to set up and easy to carry, this is the choice for you. Equipped with a built-in pump, this mattress offers fast inflation and deflation using 2 separate knobs to control these functions. In fact, the whole setup process took only 7 minutes, and the deflation process was just as easy. The King Koil has a fully flocked top layer, so we found it soft and comfortable to lay on. Plus, the suede-like surface helped keep bed sheets in place. We did note that the sides of the mattress weren't as plush to the touch as expected, so the sheets were as snug around the mattress as they could have been. Number 2. SereneLife Air Mattress with Frame and Rolling Case. Elevate the air mattress experience with premium features like those found on the SereneLife Air Mattress. We found that the extra features of this air mattress make it a convenient choice for anyone not wanting to deal with the typical hassles of air mattresses. These features include an internal air pump, a built-in frame, and adjustable firmness settings. The manufacturer promises a quick and easy setup, taking only 3 minutes to inflate and deflate. It also automatically opens and closes by itself, allowing for a largely hands-off experience. The dial on the side of the mattress controls the pump's operation, and you can adjust the firmness level through the amount of air you let in. When you're ready to pack up this air mattress, simply turn the dial to deflate. Number 3. Ivation Bed Air Mattress with Frame. Our top pick in this category, the Ivation Bed Air Mattress, offers a unique design with a self-deploying frame that gives the bed a standard height of 24 inches. Of the 10 air mattresses we tested in the lab, this option was one of the easiest to set up, even with a frame. An air mattress with a frame elevates the sleeping area, making it easy to get in and out of bed. It also gives any spare room the feeling of a proper guest room when you need it. The process of setting up this mattress was largely hands-off, and it took only 6.5 minutes to complete. You just unzip the case, select the firmness level, and move the dial to inflate. In just a few minutes, you'll have a comfortable bed for guests. Number 4. SoundAsleep Products. Dream Series Air Mattress. If you are specifically looking for a queen-sized mattress, the Dream Series from SoundAsleep was one of several queen air mattresses we tested, and it stood out for its comfort, durability, and design. When fully inflated, its dimensions are just shy of a queen mattress. It's 78 inches long and 58 inches wide, rather than 80 inches long and 60 inches wide. However, the small difference in dimensions wasn't noticeable in our testing, and we appreciate that this mattress has a substantial 500-pound weight limit. This 19-inch tall queen air mattress has 40 internal air coils to evenly support the weight. A flock top adds to the nice appearance and comfortable feel of this mattress. It's also equipped with a built-in pump that assists with inflation and deflation functions, but it should be noted that the pump could have worked more quickly. It took 7 minutes to fully inflate this queen air mattress, which is longer than others with a built-in pump. While deflating the mattress was also slow, the deflate function on the pump made it a simple process. Once packed into the included carry bag, we found it to be very convenient to carry and store. Number 5. Intex Dura-Beam Deluxe Air Mattress. For a supportive and durable twin-size air mattress, the Intex Dura-Beam is a great option. This version is as long as a standard twin mattress, 75 inches, and also provides an inch of extra width, standing 16.5 inches tall. We appreciated the mattress's lofty feel during our testing process. Ideal as an extra bed for one overnight guest or a child, the Intex Dura-Beam Twin Air Mattress uses a built-in electric pump for easy setup. It took 6 minutes to assemble the bed, and we also found that the pump made it faster and easier to deflate the air mattress. 2. This air mattress is designed to be comfortable for a single sleeper and features a flocked surface, built-in pillow, and raised edge. We found it well designed, comfortable, and durable, but we did note that this air mattress wasn't as stable during our testing process, moving an inch or two when we jumped onto it.